Today we'll be learning about Pythagorean Theorem. The equation for this is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. A and b are the two shortest sides or the legs of the triangle. C is the hypotenuse, which is the longest side or the side across from the right angle. Now let's try some examples. This first one is a and 6 as our a and b, making it a squared plus 6 squared equals c squared, c being our unknown side, the hypotenuse. Then we will continue with the square rooting and make it 64 plus 36 equals c squared. Then you will continue adding a and b, making it 100 equals c squared. Then you would radical both sides, making c equal 10, our unknown side. Our next one is 12 and 4, again as our a and b. So this will be 4 squared plus 12 squared equals c squared once again. 4 squared is 16 plus 12 squared 144 equals c squared. Again, you would add the a and b, making it 160 equals c squared. Root the two sides and you get c equals 4 radical 10. Now pause the video and try this next problem. So now for this, we only have one leg and the hypotenuse. So let's make this a squared plus 6 root 3 squared equals 12 squared. Then we go on to a squared plus 18 equals 144. Then you subtract it, a squared equals 126, and you get a equals 3 radical 14. Now I'll be learning about converse of Pythagorean Theorem. This is proving that the side lengths do make a right triangle, meaning that a squared plus b squared does and will equal c squared. Let's try 12, 15, and 9 as our side measurements. First, you would identify the largest side, being 15, and put it as c. This would be 9 squared plus 12 squared equals 15 squared. Then you will continue like Pythagorean theorem and do 81 plus 144 equals 225. 81 plus 144 equals 225, making it 225 equals 225, showing that it is in fact a right triangle. In other cases, if the Pythagorean theorem does not result in the sides forming a right triangle, you can check to see if the triangle is an acute or an obtuse triangle. So if a squared plus b squared is greater than c squared, then the triangle is acute. If a squared plus b squared is less than c squared, then the triangle is obtuse. Let's try these sample ones. We have 4, 5, and 6. 6 being the greatest, making it c squared. Then we have 4 squared plus 5 squared, and we leave a space blank. 4 squared, 16 plus 5 squared, 25, and then 6 squared equals 36. 16 plus 25 equals 41 and 36. 41 is greater than 36, making it an acute triangle. Next we have 32, 40, and 24. 40 being the largest, making it c squared. 24 squared plus 32 squared, leave a space blank, 40 squared. This will make it 576 plus 1024, and 40 squared equals 1600. 1024 plus 576 is 1600, equaling to the other 1600, making it a right triangle. Now let's try this next one, including radicals. Please pause the video and try these yourself. Radical 11 is the greatest side, making it radical 11 squared. On the other side, we have 4 squared plus radical 7 squared, making it 16 plus 7. 23 is greater than 11, making it an acute triangle. Thank you for watching this video of Pythagorean Theorem. Hope this helped.